Hello guys, hello brothers and sisters. Good evening.
Hello, good
Good
evening. How
evening.
are you, Brother Coco?
Good evening. I'm very good. How about you guys? How are you?
Fine, thank you.
It's fine, yeah. Okay, we met again, guys, for the 18th meeting. And I forgot to say salam ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, guys.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, that's good. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Yeah. So today it's 18th meeting, and we're going to continue the lessons. We are going to finish our lessons on the next Friday. Yeah. Anyway, guys, do you continue to the next class, guys?
Yes, of course.
Continue.
Okay. Have you registered to the next class?
Yeah,
Yes, I
already.
have.
I already done.
Okay. All right. Okay. So you can register now ya if you haven't, guys. Bagi teman-teman yang belum, bisa ya. Maybe after this class or maybe tomorrow morning, it's fine ya. Because I think it's Wednesday. On the next Friday will be the last one ya. Jadi Jumat kita sudah terakhir. Jadi ya biasanya sudah, kalau kayak gini biasanya sudah dibuatkan grup ya sama teman-teman admin. Jadi bagi teman-teman yang memang mau fix lanjut ya, segera daftar, nanti segera dimasukkan ke grupnya. Ada yang sudah masuk ke grup baru, guys? Iya,
Sudah.
Sudah ya?
Sudah.
Oke. Ada nama saya nggak, guys, di grupnya?
Ada.
Ada ya?
Sekarang ada. Kemarin belum.
Oke, yang ada berarti nanti kita bisa satu kelas lagi, like that one. Tapi kalau teman-teman di situ bukan nama saya, berarti kita mungkin ya sampai di basic 2 dulu ya. Kita nggak tahu next bisa ketemu lagi atau tidak, tapi semoga bisa ya. Oke?
Oke, bro.
Oke, all ya. Enjoy everything. We still have 3 meetings left. Masih ada 3 pertemuan lagi nih dengan hari ini. Let's go. Are you ready, guys?
Ready.
bro.
Okay. So it's about if I were blah 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 ya. It's about conditional sentence, guys. Hari ini kita akan belajar tentang conditional sentence. Would you please repeat after me, guys? Conditional sentence.
Conditional sentence.
Conditional sentence. Oke, artinya kalimat pengandaian ya. Kalimat pengandaian, guys ya. Ketika kita berandai-andai itu menggunakan bentuk lampau, teman-teman. Really. Makanya di sini pakai were ya. Misalnya nih, if I were, jika aku adalah, gitu. Jika aku adalah Bill Gates, misalnya gitu, guys. Berarti gimana, guys, kalimatnya? If I were
Bill Gates.
Bill Gates. If I were Bill Gates. Jika aku adalah Bill Gates. But is it possible, guys? Apakah itu mungkin?
No.
Possible.
Impossible ya.
Possible.
Nah, kan ya saya Bill Gates gitu kan. If I were Bill Gates. Nah, jadi sesuatu yang tidak mungkin ya. Itu namanya conditional sentence. Okay. So I wanna ask you first, guys. Do you know the difference of wish and hope? What is wish? What is hope, guys? Do you know wish? What is wish? Wish itu
Berharap. Berharap.
Berharap. Okay. What about hope?
Hope sama berharap.
Hope juga berharap ya.
Juga.
Nah, so what is the difference? Nah, I want you to understand a video first for deeper understanding about the difference of wish and hope. Saya tampilkan sebuah video, guys ya, di mana ada beberapa anak ya. So I think not only some but many children, they speak about their wishes. Mereka membicarakan tentang harapan mereka ya, but they use wish instead of hope. Mereka menggunakan wish ya, bukan hope gitu. Kok bisa ya? Kenapa gitu? Kita bisa tahu dari video ini, kalau teman-teman coba dipahami ya dari kalimat-kalimat yang mereka ucapkan.
If you had one wish, what would you wish for?
Of rain.
Okay, wait. I need to make the quality, I think it's HD, yeah, it's sorry, it's already HD. Okay, but I think that's it. Okay, all right guys, yeah, if you had one wish, what would you wish for? Jika kamu punya sebuah harapan, apa yang kamu harapkan? That's it. Let's go.
If you had one wish, what would you wish for?
A rainbow, because there hasn't been enough for weeks.
If you had one wish, what would you wish for?
A rainbow, because there hasn't been enough for weeks.
If you had one wish, what would you wish for?
A LOL doll, a makeup set, all the Barbie dolls of the princesses. I would wish for every Beyblade. A new bike, new teddy. I wish I could play all the time.
If you had one wish, what would you wish for?
For a trampoline, a hoverboard, for an iPhone, another book, Nintendo Switch, an Xbox, but my mom and dad won't let me.
If you had one wish, what would you wish for?
Lots of candy, 30 cookies. I want them all to be chocolate chip. Popcorn, 1,000 cakes. Money. Money. Money to be rich.
$1 million. $1 $1,000,000,000.
$100. Billions and billions of dollars. Get a Lamborghini.
If you had one wish, what would you wish for?
I would wish for Pokemon to be real. Pokemon was real. To be a Pokemon, to be a mermaid. I want to be a velociraptor. A robot. A fairy godmother. The genie from Aladdin.
If you had one wish, what would you wish for?
More wishes.
More wishes?
More wishes.
Infinite wishes. That I could give the wish to someone else because I don't want the responsibility.
I wish for a unicorn. A unicorn. All myth creatures will real. I'd wish for a pet unicorn.
Ooh, what would you do with a pet unicorn?
I have no idea.
If you had one wish, what would you wish for?
A tiger. A puppy. A dog that walks, that talks, and closes his eyes when it goes to sleep. To have 1,000 dogs, and then to buy them a ginormous doggy mansion. 100 kittens.
If you had one wish, what would you wish for?
Another copy of my sister. Really, she's the apple of my eye. 2 more sisters.
I would wish for no brothers.
What's wrong with them?
They hit me a lot.
If you had one wish, what would you wish for?
I want everyone to be happy.
I would wish for world peace.
I would wish for peace. There to be better ways to deal with the waste humans create.
To have the world be all peaceful and rainbows.
To end all suffering in the world.
To have a good life and stay alive for a long time.
I wish to live forever or live forever.
I would wish for my family to have a long, everlasting life.
If you had one wish, what would you wish for?
I wish to be a kid forever.
Why? Why don't you want to be a grown-up?
Because it's still getting older.
You don't want to get old?
No.
Be an adult.
I would wish that I would be a famous ballerina. To be famous.
Become famous.
Being pretty famous.
To be a singer. NBA player.
Astronaut. Astronaut.
Discover a planet with aliens.
If you had one wish, what would you wish for?
To have a girlfriend.
Do you have a girlfriend in mind?
To live directly next to my friend's house.
I like to go to Las Vegas.
You like to gamble?
What does that mean?
I can let My Little Pony turn into a monster.
Everything to be free. That's for me.
I know what I would wish for. Have a new color couch. I have a green one, but I wish I could have a red one.
I would wish to meet Jesus.
What would you say to him?
I love you.
If you had one wish, what would you wish for?
My dad to get a job. Like, he has one, but I want him to get one that's closer to us so that, like, he can actually move from that state and come live with us.
My daddy would come home when my dad's deployed. It's like really hard for me and my mom.
Get anything for my family. My own bedroom.
A blaster. I mean a gun.
A bear.
Bears for the super power to stop time. I wish I can talk to animals. I wish I was a superhero and I could just fly every day whenever people need help. Poop.
You would wish for poop?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, yeah. So they all used wish, yeah, not hope. Can you answer the questions of what and why, ya? Why did they use wish instead of hope? Kenapa ya tadi pakai wish, guys, bukan hope?
Berandai ya.
Hmm? Do you have any idea for answering? Gimana, guys? Because tadi ada gini ya, guys. I wish I had no brother, right? Nah, aku berharap nggak punya saudara laki-laki, tapi nyatanya punya nggak, guys?
Punya.
Punya.
No reality.
Nah, so that's not real, ya. So wish is for something that is impossible, ya, guys. Wish itu untuk sesuatu yang tidak mungkin, guys. But there is very small possibility too. Ada kemungkinan tapi kecil banget ya. Contohnya, I wish I had a Lamborghini. Aku punya Lamborghini. Mungkin nggak anak sekecil itu beli Lamborghini sendiri ya? What do you think?
No.
Yeah, right. Adapun kemungkinan misalnya he or she is famous, ya, but that's very small, tapi sangat kecil. Nah, jadi kemungkinannya kecil. Okay, that's the difference ya between hope and wish. Jadi sekali lagi, kalau hope itu kemungkinannya besar ya, tapi kalau wish kemungkinannya kecil. Do you get the point, guys? Do you get it?
Yes.
Okay. So I have a question for you guys, yeah? If you want to go to Bali next week, for example, but we don't have any budget, we don't have any time. So we use wish or hope?
Hope.
I repeat again, yeah? So, all right, we want to go to Bali next week, but we don't have any budget, we don't have any money, we don't have any time.
Wish.
That's wish.
Wish.
Because it's difficult, right, to happen?
Difficult to reach.
Iya, difficult to reach, difficult to happen, guys. Karena kan sulit ya terjadi, makanya kita pakai wish. But if I or we want to go to Bali and we have enough budget, we have enough time, ya. So we use wish or hope?
Hope.
You got the point. Teman-teman sudah paham berarti ya. Very good. Okay. So that's the difference. Sekali lagi bahwasanya wish itu kemungkinannya kecil ya, bahkan nggak mungkin, guys. Kecil dan sangat kecil itu pakai wish. Oke, kalau hope kemungkinannya besar. Makanya kalau teman-teman birthday ya, ulang tahun itu make a hope atau make a wish, guys.
Make a
wish ya. Karena dengan harapan yang sekalipun itu kita rasa nggak mungkin, ya tapi kita berharap untuk itu. Like that. Jadi berharap untuk sesuatu yang kemungkinannya kecil, bahkan tidak mungkin. And it's okay, that's praying, right? Kalau itu memang doa ya, it's fine, we can use wish. Okay ya guys, that's the difference of wish and hope. And let's go to the formula. Let's go to the conditional sentence structure. Ini ya guys, conditional sentence, kalimat pengandaian. Ada 3 pola di sini ya. There are 3 patterns. Sorry. Sebentar ya, saya izin mute dulu. Nah, oke. Ada 3 kalimat di sini ya. Maksudnya polanya guys. Yang pertama adalah if I were blah blah blah, I would blah blah blah. Nah, it's we pretend someone else ya. We wanna be someone else, but it's impossible. Oke, jadi yang pertama ini kita pengen jadi orang lain, tapi itu sesuatu yang tidak mungkin. If I were blah blah blah, I would blah blah blah. If I were Raffi Ahmad, I would buy new car. But I'm not Raffi Ahmad, so I don't buy new car. Jika aku adalah Raffi Ahmad, aku akan beli mobil baru. Tapi aku bukan Raffi Ahmad, jadi aku nggak beli mobil baru. Gitu. Bukan berarti ke depannya nggak bisa beli mobil gitu, bukan ya guys. Tapi ketika kita bicara, itu sesuatu yang tidak mungkin terjadi. If I were, bla bla bla. Nanti semua subjek pakai were ya. I, you, they, we, she, he, it pakai were. Karena kita berandai-andai jadi sosok lain ya. Kemudian I would, aku akan ngapain gitu. Oke, ada yang bisa ngasih contoh kalimat lain guys? Coba. If I were bla bla bla, nggak harus nama orang, misalnya profesi apa gitu ya. Come on. If I were bla bla bla, I would bla bla. Langsung dinyalakan suaranya guys. Come on.
If I were rich, I would buy sport car.
Okay, if I were rich, I would buy sport card. Okay, but from this sentence guys, dari kalimat Bro Abdul Halim ini, berarti di sini rich nggak? Is he rich?
No.
No.
Imaginary. This one imaginary.
Nah, berarti tidak di situ ya.
No.
Not yet.
So that's why Bro Abdul Halim doesn't buy
Doesn't buy sport car.
That's it. If I were rich, I would buy sport car. Okay, what else guys? Ada lagi teman-teman? Silakan, come on.
If I were a president, I
Mhm.
would open million jobs.
Okay, alright. If I were a president, I would open a million jobs.
A million
Okay, I would open million jobs. But the fact,
I'm not president.
and you cannot
I
open million
Cannot
jobs.
open a million jobs.
That's it, ya. So it's for something that's impossible, guys. Kalau ini untuk sesuatu yang tidak mungkin ya. Jadi kita seolah-olah jadi orang lain atau mungkin profesi lain dan kita pengen apa ya? Sesuatu yang tidak mungkin itu pasti pakai bentuk lampau ya, guys. Would itu bentuk lampau nggak, guys? What do you think? Would?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lampau.
Ya. Kayak would itu lampau ya. Kalau future-nya kan will kan.
Will.
Jadi kita nggak bisa di sini bilang if I were president I will, itu nggak bisa ya. Di depan bilang pengandaian, di belakang bilang rencana, itu that's different, kontras ya, itu kontras nggak bisa. Jadi if I were bla 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 I would bla bla bla. Okay, clear ya guys for this? Alright. Okay. And for hope and wish, nah untuk hope sama wish, nah kalau ini harapan ya guys, harapan itu untuk sesuatu yang ada kemungkinan terjadi, tapi kalau yang wish kemungkinannya sangat kecil, bahkan tidak mungkin. Okay, for hope with the maybe big possibility, dengan kemungkinan yang besar ya. Big possibility. That's it. Okay, but wish, tapi kalau wish itu small possibility. Even tiny ya, bahkan sangat kecil kemungkinannya. Okay, even impossible ya, bahkan nggak mungkin. Nah, seperti yang saya bilang tadi, kalau sesuatu tidak mungkin pakai bentuk lampau. Kita lihat ya, kalau yang hope, I hope I can, gitu kan? I hope I can. Can itu bentuk present apa lampau, guys? Kalau can.
Present.
Kalau yang bawah, I wish I could. Nah, could itu bentuk present apa?
Lampau.
Lampau. Nah, jadi kita ngingetnya gini, guys. Kalau sesuatu itu memang sulit terjadi atau bahkan nggak mungkin terjadi, pakai bentuk lampau. I wish I could, I wish I would, I wish I, pakai bentuk lampau.
I could fly.
Nah, wish I could fly ya. But the fact, it's impossible, right?
It's impossible.
Possible. Okay. Kalau I hope, I can. Aku berharap, aku bisa. That's possible. Okay, for example ya. I hope I can meet you tomorrow.
Yes. I hope I can.
Yeah, I hope I can meet.
I can do it.
Okay. So when I say I hope I can meet you tomorrow, Is it possible, guys?
Yes, possible.
Yes, possible.
That's possible, yeah. That's possible. Yeah. Here we have enough time. Here we have appointment, ya. Bahkan kita sudah punya janji nih, besok kita mau ketemu. That's it. I hope I can reach it tomorrow.
I can live forever.
I hope. Tapi kalau live forever,
I wish I could.
lebih tepatnya
I
pakai
wish.
wish. Nah,
I could live forever.
okay, because impossible ya guys, for live forever. That's it. Oke ya. Tapi kalau kemungkinannya kecil, aku berharap aku ketemu kamu besok, menemui kamu besok. Berarti I wish
I could. Wish I
I
could.
wish.
I could
Meet you tomorrow.
meet you tomorrow.
I could meet you tomorrow.
Good. The two sentences are similar too. Dua kalimat ini kan sekilas
Sama.
sama aja, tapi
Sama bentuknya.
iya, tapi
Iya,
sebenarnya beda.
berbeda.
Kalau yang hope itu kemungkinannya besar, kalau yang wish kemungkinannya kecil.
Kecil.
bahkan tidak.
Kalau wish.
Wish you luck berarti basa-basi dong ya.
Ada?
Wish you luck.
Wish you luck, wish you luck.
Basa-basi gitu, kalimat basa-basi.
Sebenarnya bukan basa-basi ya. Apa sih arti dari wish you luck, guys?
Semoga kamu beruntung.
Semoga beruntung.
Semoga
Beruntung.
beruntung.
Nah, oke. Wish tadi tidak mungkin, tapi
Tidak.
ada kemungkinan juga ya, tapi
Iya.
kecil gitu kan.
Iya.
Seperti yang saya bilang tadi di awal ya.
Bagus.
Kalau berdoa itu kita pakai wish kan.
Yeah.
Sekalipun itu menurut kita nggak mungkin, tapi namanya berdoa ke Tuhan kan ya, apapun itu bisa aja mungkin gitu.
Iya.
Makanya pakai wish ya. Bukan berarti itu tidak mungkin, tidak, tapi bukan berarti itu basa-basi juga tidak ya, karena doa itu setinggi. Bahkan yang sesuatu nggak mungkin bisa jadi mungkin kan? Yes or no guys?
Iya.
Yes.
Tinggi harapan orang tua.
That's it ya. So we can use wish. Make a wish. Come on, make a wish. Biasanya kan gitu ya. Bukan make a hope. Like,
Iya.
ya kayaknya kok nggak pernah ya ada. Hey, come on, make a hope. Nah, make a wish ya biasanya, make a wish. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Any question, guys, about conditional sentence?
No.
Come on, okay. Coba dong, one person, maybe some of you ya that I will choose. Coba teman-teman silahkan diangkat tangannya membuat kalimat if I were bla bla bla, I would bla bla bla. Terus satu lagi pakai I hope, I can bla bla bla. Kalimat ketiga, jadi ada 3 kalimat ya. I wish, I could bla bla bla. Coba dong diangkat tangannya guys. Please, I wanna know about your understanding. Okay, Sis Wida, you want?
If I were the Attorney General, I would arrest the corruption.
Okay, I would ya. Nah, but that's impossible ya, Sis Wida.
Yes.
Okay, alright. Kalau yang hope gimana, Sis Wida? So what about hope?
Hope I hope much money I can. I hope much money. I can buy. I can voucher.
I can buy. Verb 1 ya. Verb 1, verb 1. Semua di sini pakai verb 1 ya guys. Verb 1.
I can buy what I want.
Okay. I hope I can. Mungkin gini. I hope I can buy what I want if I have much money.
Yes.
Jadi di depan cuma I hope aja. Oke, Sis Wida?
I can join.
I hope I can what I want.
Buy what I want.
Buy what I want.
If I have
much money.
Nah, itu dia. Oke, good. Itu yang hope ya. Kalau yang wish, Sis?
I wish I could planning
I wish I could
go to America.
I wish I could go to America.
English
I wish I could.
I wish I could go to Mekah, Madinah.
Oke. Kalau gitu berarti kalau pakai wish kemungkinannya kecil berarti ya.
I hope I can go to Mecca.
Nah, kalau
berarti,
gini,
berarti pakai I hope ya.
kalau teman-teman merasa itu kemungkinannya besar, pakai I hope ya. Tapi kalau merasa kemungkinannya kecil, aduh kayaknya sulit.
Pakai
nih.
I wish.
I wish ya, that's it. Okay, good ya. Oke guys, satu lagi nih ya, yang perlu saya tekankan, pakai verb one semuanya ya guys. Coba kita lihat, I would buy itu verb one. I would open itu verb one. I can meet itu verb one. Meet, verb one semua ya. Jadi teman-teman nanti nggak ada yang pakai ing. Bukan buying, bukan opening atau apa. No, tapi verb one, pakai verb satu ya. Oke ya. So let's go to the next, Sis Ayin ya. Sis Ayin, please, I give the chance to you first.
If I were in United Nations, I would stop the genocide in Palestine.
Oh wow, okay. But the reality, you are not there, right?
I don't have the power.
Okay. Second one, Hope. Can you?
I hope I can read more books next year.
Okay, and that's possible, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. And then wish?
I wish I could change the weather right now.
Okay, but that's impossible.
Yeah, that's impossible.
Okay.
It's already raining.
Okay. Thank you, Sis Ayin. Yeah, thank you so much. It's good. That's it, guys. Yeah, if small or even impossible, you can use wish. Okay, and then one more, Bro Abdul Halim. Yeah, so please, bro, that's your turn.
If I were younger, I would travel to the world.
Okay, but the fact, not younger.
Not younger. I'm old.
Okay. Okay. Hope?
You're young. I hope I can come to the party.
Okay. With big possibility, yeah, bro. Okay, and the last?
I wish I could study hard for the test.
Okay, but you use wish. It means that it's difficult to do.
Yeah, difficult.
Difficult to do ya.
Yes,
Okay.
right.
Alright ya. Jadi karena Bro Abdul merasa aduh sulit nih gitu, pakai wish. Thank you bro, thank you so much. That's nice guys ya. It's about conditional sentence, kalimat pengandaian. Sebenarnya kalimat pengandaian itu ada tipenya ya. Teman-teman ada yang pernah belajar tentang conditional sentence? Ada type 0, type 1, type 2, type 3. Nah, ada 4 tapi belum kita pelajari di level ini ya. Step by step guys. Tapi ini sekilas teman-teman kalimat pengandaian seperti ini. Okay, any question guys maybe from you? Do you have any question?
No.
Okay, no ya?
Yeah.
Alright, okay. Bro, suaranya kok putus-putus. Putus-putus kah suara saya, guys?
No.
No ya?
Clear. No.
Ya, sometimes maybe connection ya, mungkin koneksinya agak tidak stabil. Okay, so for your speaking, there are 6 how many? Wait, 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry, 7 questions. 7 questions, guys, yeah, for your discussion today. The first one is, do you have a wish for 2025?
Do you have a wish for
2025? Nah, apa tuh artinya, guys? Apakah
kamu punya
harapan untuk 2025?
Oke, tapi karena ini pertanyaannya wish, berarti harapan yang kemungkinannya kecil.
Kecil.
Yes.
Oke, nanti misalnya yes. Misalnya yes gitu ya. Kan jawabannya cuma 2 ya, yes or no, right?
Yeah.
Nah, misalnya yes ya. I wish I could. Aku berharap aku bisa gitu.
I wish I could.
Misalnya teman-teman berharap aku bisa beli rumah baru. I wish I could new house. I could buy new house. That's it.
I hope this year I have 5 miliar rupiah.
Tapi itu sulit nggak bro? Kalau sulit, nah Kita nggak pakai hope ya, tapi
I
pakai
wish.
wish, bro. Ya, pertanyaannya wish. That's it. Oke, kemudian did your wishes come true in 2024?
Alhamdulillah.
Apakah harapanmu
harapan
terwujud di tahun 2024?
Nah, apakah harapan-harapanmu terwujud di tahun 2024?
Yes.
Yes or
Yes.
no?
Yes.
Tapi lagi-lagi pertanyaannya wish ya, berarti harapan yang kita
Kecil.
pikir kayaknya nggak terjadi, tapi nyatanya terjadi. Yes or no, guys? Nah, nanti boleh dikasih tahu ya. And then please give me 2 wishes for better Indonesia.
Why did we?
And why did you say those? Nah, boleh dong teman-teman kasih 2 harapan untuk Indonesia yang
Yang
lebih
bisa
baik.
lebih baik.
Kenapa?
Nah, dan
Kenapa
kenapa?
kamu mengatakan itu?
Nanti
This
kan
is
ini pakai wish
difficult.
ya, berarti difficult one ya, berarti agak sulit.
Impossible.
Ya, bahkan impossible. That's it. Oke, berarti nanti gini guys ya, I wish Indonesia could
clear from the
corruption. Maybe.
clear from the corruption.
Oh, itu agak sulit ya. Gitu ya. Oh, bahkan impossible ya. Oke. Right. Oke, silakan ya nanti tonton. And then please give me 2 hopes that possibly happen in near time. What is that, guys? Tolong
Kan
berikan
2 harapan.
Atau harapan yang mungkin terjadi dalam waktu dekat.
Oke. Tapi sorry ya, ini 2 harapannya siapa nih? Please give me your 2 hopes gitu ya.
Yes.
Nah, 2 harapanmu yang mungkin terjadi di
Waktu yang dekat.
Dalam waktu dekat.
I hope I can gitu ya guys.
Yes.
Pokoknya disesuaikan dengan pertanyaan ya. Kalau hope ya hope, kalau wish ya wish gitu ya. Sama aja kayak what is your name? My name kan gitu ya. And then ini pertanyaan ngaco tapi namanya kalimat pengandaian ya. If you were going to listen to a song before you died, what song would it be? Oke. Jika kamu akan
mendengarkan lagu sebelum
kamu meninggal,
lagu
apa lagu sayangkan?
Aduh, nggak kepikiran lah.
Aduh.
Oke ya.
La ilaha illallah aja lah, la ilaha illallah.
Udahlah, Basuri ya, bangun tidur lagi.
Viewers, man.
And then the last 2 ya. Nah, ini if I were, ya. If you were a rich man, where would you go for the next holiday? Jika kamu adalah
orang kaya, di mana kamu akan pergi di holiday berikutnya, liburan berikutnya.
Liburan berikutnya.
Liburan ya selanjutnya. Jawabannya gimana berarti guys? If I were
a rich man,
Nanti kalau yang perempuan mungkin woman ya.
I would go
I a rich woman.
go to the moon.
go to the moon.
Oke. Ini ya, jangan pakai ing, jangan going ya, tapi go. I would go to that. Oke. Kemudian yang terakhir ya, if you were president, jika kamu adalah presiden, what would you do? If I were president or a president, I would.
If I were president,
Aku akan ngapain?
Step down.
Oke. Sekali lagi bukan berarti kedepannya nggak mungkin jadi presiden, tidak ya guys. Tapi saat kita bicara kita bukan presiden. That's it. Okay. 7 questions guys ya for you for your discussion today. Are you ready guys for it?
yes, ready.
Oke. Ingat ya sekali lagi wish pakai bentuk lampau. Wish itu pakai would atau could. Tapi kalau hope
ambil.
present like that one. Okay. Click joining. Have a nice practicing. And come on guys ya. Speak up. Good luck for all of us. Yeah. See you everybody.
See you.
Udah.
Halo guys. Halo.
Hello, bro.
Bro
Sorry, I'm just join ya guys. Okay, I went to some rooms ya, like Bro Zain's room, with Bro Abdul, right, bro?
Yes,
And
yes.
the last one, Sis Ayin's room ya, I think. Sis
Oh
Ayin's room.
yes, I think I see you there.
Yeah, use home. Yeah, all right. Okay, so some of you maybe notice, but others know. Okay, it's good guys ya. It's okay for you to talk about something else ya. Bagi teman-teman untuk ngobrol yang lain boleh nggak bro? But you need to finish the conversation first ya.
Yeah.
Teman-teman kalau sudah selesai, baru nggak apa-apa ya ke percakapan yang lain. Maksudnya teman-teman yang penting
next
paham
topic.
dulu. Nah,
Yeah.
paham dulu, bisa mengaplikasikan, baru setelahnya kita manfaatkan
next
waktu
topic.
yang ada.
Okay.
Ya.
Okay, bro.
That's
Okay,
right.
bro. Thank you, bro Koko.
Oke, welcome guys. A bit ya, correction guys. Sekali
Iya.
lagi teman-teman yang masih baca would, bukan would ya, tapi
Would.
would.
Would. Oh ya, would.
I would.
Would.
Jadi bukan
I
I
would.
would ya, tapi I would. I would.
I would.
I would.
I would.
Begitu juga dengan
I
cold,
would.
bukan cold ya, tapi
Oh yeah.
Cool.
I could.
I offer.
Could.
I could. I could.
I could.
jadi
could.
L-nya nggak usah dibaca ya.
Could.
Would.
I could.
I could.
I often say.
One more.
Would.
Nah itu sama yang di awal tadi ya, bukan if I were, tapi if I were.
If I were.
I were.
If I were.
Misalnya kalau where itu nanti beda arti ya.
Yeah.
Where di mana?
Where bisa di mana, bisa where memakai ya.
Yes.
Memakai bisa ya where.
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 Yes,
I
right.
Itu bacanya where. I wear clothes.
Oh, where.
I wear
Underwear.
underwear. That's
Aduh.
different meaning ya. Oke.
So
Jadi-
quickly ya.
Kita bacanya were ya. Oke. Like that. Itu ya, tapi selain itu oke ya dari teman-teman tadi disesuaikan I wish I could sudah oke. Cuman di cara baca aja ya. Tapi gimana biar
Oke.
smooth ya kita harus banyak
I would.
oke.
Mas practice.
Must practice every single time.
Practice make perfect.
Practice makes perfect. Thank you guys.
Thank you, Bro Koko.
Bro
Oke.
Koko.
Thank you, Bro Koko.
Hello,
Okay.
brother. Paiman.
Okay, any question maybe from you?
Yes,
So, please.
yes,
Nah.
Bro Koko.
Now
Okay,
Tadi
yeah.
yang
Okay.
Bro Koko. Yang di question number 2 tadi tuh kan jawabannya yes or no. Kalau yes tuh reasonnya pakai I wish juga gitu. Gimana? Tadi lupa cara
Iya,
jawabnya.
iya, jawabnya tetap pakai I wish soalnya pertanyaannya wish gitu.
Berarti
Yeah.
kan yes I wish gitu.
Ya, that's it. Oke, tapi karena lampau berarti I
Ya.
wish.
Wishes.
Nah,
I
pakai
wish.
wish.
I
Ya,
wish.
wishes.
I wish. Nah, seperti
I wishes.
I
yes.
wishes.
Oke.
I wish.
Gitu ya, sis?
Yes. Oke,
Oke.
thank you.
Oke, thank you. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, bro.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you all.
What tomorrow's topic?
Tomorrow about culture ya. Tomorrow about culture, guys.
Culture. Okay.
See you.
Thank you all.
You
Bro
too.
Koko. Halo Bro
Halo Bro
Paiman.
Hakim. Halo.
Halo,
Baru
Paiman.
selesai juga nih.
You look
Ada
happy, Mr.
kegiatan juga ya. Baru
Paiman.
selesai sambil-sambil.
I never meet to Mr. Paiman.
Sesudah di Bandung ya tinggal. Soalnya saya lagi di Tasik malah.
Oh, you every time travel around ya? Last week you're in Bekasi.
No, I stay in Tasikmalaya in desa Bojong ya.
Bojong.
Bojong.